Jeff Keenan here with the GoTrax G4 commuting electric scooter. I'm going to do a 3-year review on it to see how it's holding up. So I have almost 300 miles on this scooter in 3 years, and it's holding up really well. Nothing's broken. I've never had a flat tire, and it's holding up really well. The battery life is still great. So this is a commuting scooter, so GoTrax put some thought into security. Now, one of my best videos is how to disable the lock code, because if you don't disable the lock code, you have to put in every time you start the scooter and it can get old. I'll put a link to that video here. Another video that gets a lot of views is how to set the security cable code. It's a little bit tricky, but I have a video on how to do it, so I'll put a link to that also. This is one of the first GoTrax scooters with rear motor wheel-wheel drive. And it handles better than all the front-wheel drive scooters I've used, so I really like that. What that means is you only have one wheel braking because the disc rotor is on the rear wheel and there's very little regenerative braking. So you do go through a lot of brake pads. I'll put a link on how to change the brake pads, and they're very inexpensive. I just have to do them probably every 6 months. The front wheel and the fenders are still in really good shape. The 10-inch tires really help to soak up the bumps. In all, it's holding up really good. Still like the scooter. I think it's a sweet spot for entry-level commuting. You can get 10 to 15 miles out of it easy, and it has the features that you'll need and want at a price that's pretty affordable. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Wi-Fi tech products and micro mobility.